Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is PhysioField. In this video, we will discuss about the orthotics. So let's get started. The definition of orthosis is: an orthosis is a mechanical device fitted to the body to maintain it in an anatomical or functional position. So they are the external mechanical devices fitted to the body. The modern orthotic devices play an important role both in the field of orthopedic and neurological rehabilitation. What are the main functions? They are used to improve the function, to restrict the motion or to enforce the motion, or increase the support to the part of the body like spine and lower limb. An orthotics: the person who is working in the orthotic field is an healthcare professional who design, fabricate or fit orthoses for function of limbs and trunk. So what are the general principles of orthosis? Number 1, use of forces. Orthoses utilize forces to limit or assist movement. They can both limit the movement or used to assist the movement. So the rigid material spanning a joint prevent motion. Example, posterior tube splint. A spring in a joint is stressed by one motion, and when it recoils, it will assist the opposite desired motion. When a spring is stressed, then it will produce a motion. When it will recoil back, it will assist the opposite desired motion. For example, in a leaf spring. The diagram is here. Next principle is sensation. An orthotic devices often cover the whole skin area and decrease sensory feedback. These orthotic devices as covering the whole area of the skin and decreasing the sensory feedback. So it must important that the proprioception should be preserved while applying these orthotic devices. Next principle is correcting a mobile deformity. What do you mean by what is the meaning of mobile deformity? The part of the body is mobile but having a deformity. So correcting these type of deformity is the principle of orthotics. A flexible deformity may be corrected by an orthosis like genu recurvatum. Genu recurvatum is the hyperextension of the knee, or a mobile scoliosis. The corrected force must be balanced by proximal and the distal counter forces. Both proximal and the distal forces are balanced to correct the mobile deformity. So this force system is a 3-point system. Next principle is fixed deformity. If a fixed deformity is accommodated by an orthosis, it will prevent the progression of deformity. Have you ever heard about the fixed flexion deformity? That deformity can be corrected by the orthosis as it will prevent the progression of the deformity, as because the function of orthosis is both preventing and assisting the motion. So the fixed flexion deformity or the fixed deformity can be corrected by orthosis. Next principle is adjustability. It is indicated for the children to accommodate their growth. As the child growth is gradual, then the orthosis should be adjustable, or it is used in the patient whose disorders are progressive or resolving. So the orthosis should be adjustable accordingly. Maintenance and cleaning. Simple to maintain and clean. Application should be easy and are designed in a perfect manner, so it can be used easily by the patient themselves. Next, limitation of the movement. Limiting the movement to reduce pain. The limitation of the movement will reduce the pain, for example in a knee brace. Next is gravity, important role in a upper limb orthosis. Rayon shoulder cuff is used in a hemiplegic patient to prevent the subluxation of the shoulder. Next, comfort. The orthosis should be comfortable and easy to use and easy to wear. Utility. Orthosis must be useful and serves as a real purpose, not in a casual manner. So, they are designed accordingly. Next point is cosmesis. It is important in a hand orthosis. A functional but unsightly orthosis is often rejected if the patient values appearance over to the function. Some patient values appearance more than the function. So, in those patients, the cosmesis or the cosmetic appearance is important for them. The duration only used in indicated for as long as necessary. All these orthotic devices should be indicated while prescribed by the doctor. So, they are used as long as necessary. Appropriateness and appropriate movement should be allowed while wearing these orthotic devices. So, it allows the joint movement where it is appropriate. So this is all from my side. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, share it and subscribe to my channel for the next topic. Thank you.